Welcome to the Infraconsoft Inventory and Vehicle Management System introduction video. First, I am logging in. Enter your username and password, then select the branch. This is a purchase, inventory, and vehicle management system. Let's start with the inventory section. It has three modules: Inventory Master, Transactions, Reports. First, we will go to the Inventory Master module. Item Code Generation generates unique codes for inventory items based on category hierarchy. Item, add, update, or delete product details for tracking. Item Tree View displays a visual hierarchy of items. Supplier with Item links suppliers to the items they provide for easy ordering. Supplier with Subassembly maps suppliers to spare parts or components for seamless procurement. Department groups items based on the department using them. Transport manages transportation and delivery details of items. Subdepartment further divides departments into smaller units for better tracking. Unit of measurement ensures accurate quantity tracking for different item types. Next, inventory transaction modules. Store requisition. Departments request available store items. Stores issue. Approved items are issued to departments. Stores receipt. Tracks purchased items received in the store. Purchase requisition. Requests purchase of unavailable items. Purchase requisition approval. Manager approves requisitions based on need and budget. Pending purchase list displays unprocessed purchase requisitions. Rate comparison compares supplier quotes for the same item. Prior purchase requisition confirms order details before final approval. Prior purchase approval approves prior purchase requisition without disapproval. Prior purchase final approval final step to approve or reject purchase. Purchase order converts approved requisition into a formal supplier order. GRN, goods receipt, note confirms received items upon delivery. Rejected GRN, tracks rejected or returned items. Bill passing menu, HO processes supplier invoices for payment. Branch office requisition, branch office requests required items. Branch office purchase order, approved requisition turns into a purchase order. Branch office GRN confirms received items at the branch. Bill passing menu, branch, processes supplier invoices for branch payment. Delivery note lists items being delivered to the receiver. Delivery note inward records items received at a branch or supplier. Delivery challen DC tracks returnable/non-returnable items sent back to the supplier. DC returns handles return process for returnable items. STN requisition requests item transfer between branches. STN requisition approval HO reviews and approves STN requisitions. Outward pending items awaiting dispatch after requisition approval. STN outward dispatches items from one branch to another. Disapproved STN requisition marks unapproved STN requests. STN inward records received stock from another branch. Inward reject logs rejected stock at the receiving branch. File manager stores and categorizes important company documents. Next, reports modules. These reports provide insights into inventory, requisitions, orders, and supplier performance. PO report tracks purchase orders, including order numbers, dates, supplier details, items, quantities, and total amounts. Branch office PO report similar to PO report, but specific to branch offices. STN inward report Tracks inward stock transactions from suppliers or branches. STN outward report. Tracks outward stock transactions, including dispatched goods, quantities, recipients, and dates. STN requisition report. Monitors stock requisition progress to ensure timely processing and receipt. Stock summary. Provides an overview of current stock levels, available items, and low stock alerts. Purchase requisition report. Tracks the status of purchase requisitions, including item names, quantities, and requisition dates. Supplier report. Lists supplier details, items supplied, prices, delivery performance, and payment status. Prior purchase requisition report. Displays purchase requisitions pending approval or in earlier procurement stages. GRN report. Tracks goods received against purchase orders to verify order fulfillment. Supplier item report. Reviews supplier performance based on supplied items, prices, and range. Purchase requisition disapproval list. Lists purchase requisitions that were disapproved. Delivery note inward report. Tracks delivery notes for goods received from suppliers. DC pending report. Monitors pending delivery challenge awaiting processing. DC non-returnable report. Tracks non-returnable items delivered to customers. Item master report. Provides an overview of stock levels for all items, aiding reorders and preventing stockouts. Vendor rating report. Evaluates supplier performance based on delivery time, product quality, and pricing. Now, we will start with the vehicle section. It has 3 modules: Vehicle Master, Transactions, Reports. First, we will go to the Vehicle Master module. Own vehicle registration. Register and track company-owned vehicles with key details like code, name, number, type, branch, and expiry dates. Vehicle Type Master. Manage and categorize different vehicle types for both owned and hired vehicles. Vehicle Type Maintenance. Organize, search, add, edit, and delete vehicle types and subassemblies. Vehicle TDS percent. Manage TDS percentages for hired vehicles to ensure tax compliance. Vehicle Diesel Rate. Track, compare, and manage diesel prices for better budgeting and cost analysis. Hire vehicle registration. Manage and track rented or leased vehicles across branches. Location Master. Maintain and update branch and sub-branch location details. Hire vehicle spare percentage. Track and manage spare part deduction percentages for hired vehicles. Equipment Master. Organize and manage vehicle equipment details, allowing easy updates and searches. Tire details. Track and manage tire information, including model, make, price, and purchase details. Battery card. Maintain battery records for vehicles, including brand, type, lifespan, and purchase details. Next one is Vehicle Transaction modules. Periodic entry. Own vehicle tracks and manages vehicle maintenance and service history, including oil changes and parts replacements. Vehicle daily progress entry. Records daily vehicle performance metrics like distance traveled, fuel consumption, and hours worked. Tire maintenance details. Monitors tire condition, usage, serial number, and maintenance history. Battery card maintenance. Tracks battery installations, types, maintenance, and replacements for fleet vehicles. Hire bill generation. Creates and processes hire bills with details like maintenance costs and deductions. Hire bill approval, branch. Enables branch managers to review, approve, or reject vehicle hire bills. Hire bill approval, HO. Allows the head office to validate and approve hire bills approved by branches. Hire bills approval. Final review and approval process for hire bills before accounting settlement. Delivery note. lists items being delivered to the receiver. Delivery note inward, records items received at a branch or supplier. Close hire vehicle, marks hired vehicles as returned or closed, updating their status. Vehicle transfer list, displays all vehicles in transit or scheduled for transfer between branches. Approval to transfer, allows managers to approve or reject vehicle transfer requests. Vehicle receiving, confirms that the transferred vehicle has arrived at the new location. Transferring status, tracks the vehicle's status throughout the transfer process. Vehicle costing report, monitors fuel consumption, diesel costs, and vehicle efficiency. Vehicle sale and scrap, manages and tracks vehicles that are sold or scrapped, including sale details. Report module, vehicle maintenance report, tracks vehicle maintenance history and upcoming service needs. Vehicle details report, manages and updates detailed vehicle information, including registration and type. Vehicle position report, monitors vehicle usage, distance traveled, and operational history. Vehicle status report, displays vehicle availability and status across different locations. Vehicle spares report, tracks spare parts issued to owned and hired vehicles. Vehicle monthly working HRS/KM report, logs vehicle working hours and distance traveled per month. Vehicle diesel consumption report, analyzes fuel consumption and optimizes fuel costs. Closed vehicle list, lists vehicles that are no longer operational, including registration and condition. Vehicle logbook, maintains vehicle history, maintenance records, and branch transfers. Diesel report, tracks fuel usage and costs for each vehicle with export options. Own vehicle spares report, monitors spare parts issued for owned vehicles to manage costs. Bills report, manages and tracks vehicle hire billing details, payments, and deductions. Hire vehicle bill disapproval, reviews and filters disapproved hire vehicle bills for corrections. Vehicle renewal status, tracks and manages the renewal of RC, insurance, FCIC, road tax, permit, and pollution certificate for vehicles. Branch-wise vehicles report, displays vehicles assigned to each branch with transfer options. Vehicle scrap report, tracks sold or scrapped vehicles with detailed sale/scrap info. Tire maintenance report, logs tire details, history, costs, and usage for maintenance. Delivery note inward details report, tracks items received at a branch or from a supplier. Vehicle monthly diesel issues, tracks monthly diesel consumption for owned and hired vehicles. Vehicle monthly consumption report, hour, monitors vehicle operation hours and fuel usage. Vehicle monthly consumption report, KM, tracks kilometers traveled and diesel used per month. Vehicle transferring report, records vehicle transfers between branches or project sites. Vehicle monthly consumption report, summarizes fuel usage and operational hours monthly. Vehicle monthly consumption report, ton, tracks diesel consumption in tons per vehicle monthly. Vehicle maintenance alert, notifies when vehicle maintenance is due based on usage. Periodic entry renewal alert, alerts for scheduled and overdue vehicle maintenance tasks. Thank you for watching the introduction video.